Good morning, students. How are you? I think all are fine. Yeah, see, and first of all, I want to congratulate to all who are promoted to second year and everybody to MPC 1. Yeah, so due to Corona, we are in some danger and so whatever the circumstances, don't no bother about it. You should study well. mm, I want to your studies going to be well, so for that purpose only today I am taking this video. mm, so first of all I want to say, look at this pen paper. So total students future depends on this pen and paper only. Yeah, right. So that's why you keep touching with the studies. Whatever happening surrounding us, you should keep touch with your studies. Okay. For that purpose only, our institution took some instruction to teach some little bit online classes for you. They are looking for your bright future, so you should use it very well. Okay. And so anyway, thank you very much and welcome to um, ts tswrs jc boys మేడిపల్లి సో జగిత్యాల్. ఓకే. సో నేమ్ జి అన్నపూర్ణ, జేఎల్ మ్యాథ్స్. ఓకే. సో మేడిపల్లి. Okay, come to the point. So today I am going to teach second B. Unit name circle, the first unit. Okay, first unit. Yeah. So in that, first we have to know about circle. So what is circle? Anybody knows? Yeah, if you know answer, you can't answer because of this is the video, one way video only. So that's why I will say, in your previous studies, you learnt about circle. So what is circle? Right. See, will you see some bull tie with one pole, at one pole? You already saw, I think, in farmer's house, there is one bull, yeah, buffalo or any cow. So tie with one rope, and that cow stands at that place. Okay. If that cow take one run, one walk to from that pole, what will happen? See, take one pole. See, some bullet cut. This is the pole. So here tied one cow. So this cow take a one run, one walk from the pole. So what will happen? So it became like a circle. Okay, is it true? So what is the distance between this pole point and to the walk line? See, and okay, this is one example. And one more thing, we will came from across for many circle in our circumstances. Okay, so see, bangle is looking like circle. So this wheel, so wheel also looking like a circle, and some other. Okay, coming to the point. So the mathematical definition mathematical definition mathematical definition, what? Okay, mathematical definition, what? See, you know this all. So this is we have to take as a center, and from here this center to the distance between the curve. Wherever you take one point on the circle, the distance will same. Okay, the distance will same, right? The distance will same. And so what is the mathematical definition? See, a set of a set of a set of a set of combining of a set of combining with equal distance with equal distance with equal distance is called circle. So we denoted circle in this total unit like this called circle. Every time I am not possible to write a full word, so that's why I will use circle as like this. Okay, you should understand that, right? And so a set of points of a set of points of combining with equal a set of points of combining with equal distance is called circle. A set of combining a set of points combining of equal distance is called circle. Okay, right? So this is about circle. So what would you know about some more information about circle? See, this is the circle. So this is the center of the circle. So what is our definition? See, so a set of points of combining with equal distance is called circle, right? A set of points combining of equal distance see, equal distance is called circle. Okay, then so this is the center of circle, we called center. This point is center. Okay, The equal distance we take as r, that is called radius. Okay, you learned in your previous classes, I know. So what is the equal distance? So the equal distance is we called radius. Okay, right now, are you following? Right. So this is about second B. This is about second B unit, circle. What is circle? So we see in our daily life, wheel, some bangle, all are looking like so some shapes are in circle shape, and the mathematical definition is a set of points combining with equal distance is called circle. So in circle the center is the midpoint is called center, and which is the equal distance is called radius. Okay, right, come to the point. And so see, this is about some previous knowledge of circle. So already you learnt in 9th class, from 6th to 10th class, right? So now when come for our syllabus from this unit, sorry I forgot, yeah, I want to say now. So circle, in circle unit we have 7 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2. You know this. What is this? 7 is a long question, 4 is a short question, long, short, very short. So total marks 22 marks. So how you would grab these marks? So you can practice properly, then only you get 22 marks. Like in our first year there is a matrix unit is there, in that also we have a 22 weightage. So that's why you should focus this unit, you can get easily 22 marks. Okay, be aware students about 22 marks. Don't leave 1 mark from circles, because of this circle has 2 long questions. Okay, right. So next, come to the point. Up to now you learnt, so you get some knowledge of circle. So what is circle and what is center, what is radius. So come to the point. Equation of the first one, 1.1, right? Equation of circle. Okay, so yeah, we have a line. So every shape has one equation. Every shape has one equation. What is the line equation? See, there is a one plane, two dimensional coordinate plane, right? This is 2D coordinate plane. So here one line is there. So what is this equation? What about this equation you learnt in your previous classes? So what is the equation? So y is equal to mx plus c, right? Y is equal to mx plus c, right now? So again, so then you take one circle in the plane. You take one circle in a plane, right? This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Yes, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is the origin, right? So here we have a one circle. So what is? See, what is this? Where is the equation? What is the equation of circle? Right? Think. think. Okay, see. Yeah, students, think. So I want to stop right now. See, I give some introduction of circle. Okay, there is a there is in plane, there is in plane, there is a line.